Ndewo! Welcome back to our Igbo language series. I'm Mercy Choma, and today we'll learn how to introduce ourselves in Igbo. Ready? Let's go! In this lesson, we'll learn how to say three important things: your name, where you're from, and what you do. These are the first steps to starting any conversation. To say your name, you say Aham Bo. Then your name. For me, I say Aham Bo Mercy. Try it now with your own name. Aham Bo. To ask someone their name, say Ahage Bogene. That means, what is your name? Repeat after me. Ahage Bogene. To say where you're from, you say Esim and add your place. I say Esim Abia. Esim Enugu. Try it with where you're from. To ask someone where they're from, say Isiebe. That means, where are you from? Let's say it together. Isiebe. To say what you do, use Abum, Onye, then your profession. For example, I say Abum Onye Nkuzi. I am a teacher. You can also say Abum Onye Nazwahia. I am a trader. Now let's put it all together. Listen to me first. Ahambo Mercy. Esim Abia. Abum Onye Nkuzi. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and practice saying it aloud. You did it! You've just introduced yourself in Igbo. Keep saying it until it feels natural. Practice makes perfect. Record yourself practicing with a friend or in front of a mirror. The more you speak, the better you get. Dalo. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next lesson.